This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine a world where your ideas come to life with just a few clicks. Welcome to Autodesk Inventor, where creativity meets cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your journey, this is the place where your imagination takes flight. Picture this, a digital toolbox filled with powerful tools, ready to help you craft stunning three-dimensional designs. Autodesk Inventor is that toolbox, giving you the precision and control to shape your ideas into reality. Across the globe, engineers, architects, and designers rely on Inventor to bring their visions to life. From intricate mechanical parts to massive architectural projects, this software is the backbone of innovation in countless industries. Imagine building a car, a robot, or even an entire building, all on your computer screen. With Inventor, you can visualize every detail before a single piece is constructed. This is the magic of Inventor. It bridges the gap between your imagination and reality, making the design process seamless, intuitive, and exciting. Forget about clay or construction paper. With Inventor, you have a suite of digital tools that are faster, more accurate, and infinitely more versatile. These tools empower you to create precise, detailed models, ensuring every aspect of your design is just right. Experiment, refine, and perfect, there are no limits here. Rotate your models, zoom in and out, and even simulate how they'll function, all before anything is built. This means fewer surprises and more confidence in your designs. This revolutionary approach is called Computer-Aided Design, or CAD. It has transformed the way we design, making the process more accessible, efficient, and innovative than ever before. CAD software like Inventor has reshaped industries, enabling professionals to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a game-changer for creativity and innovation. Faster, more efficient, and endlessly creative, Inventor is your partner in solving complex problems and exploring new ideas. Whether you're designing a groundbreaking product or planning a complex structure, Inventor adapts to your vision, giving you the tools to bring it to life. So are you ready to embark on this journey into the world of three-dimensional design? Let's dive in and discover what you can create with Autodesk Inventor. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us bring you more amazing content like this. Let's get started. I bet you didn't know how Autodesk Inventor is transforming industries around the globe. Let's dive into its real-world applications. In the automotive industry, car companies use Inventor to design everything from sleek exteriors to powerful engines. Every curve and component is meticulously crafted in the digital world before a single part is manufactured. Architects rely on Inventor to create stunning buildings. They can design intricate facades, plan complex layouts, and even visualize how the building will interact with its surroundings. Manufacturing companies use Inventor to design products, from smartphones to airplanes. They can create detailed models of parts, simulate how they fit together, and optimize designs for efficient production. These are just a few examples of how Inventor is shaping the world around us. It's a powerful tool that empowers professionals to design and innovate across various fields. Why are there not more people talking about how powerful Autodesk Inventor is? Opening Autodesk Inventor for the first time might feel like stepping into a cockpit, but don't worry, it's much simpler than it looks. Let's take a quick tour of the interface to highlight its key features. At the top, you'll find the ribbon. This is where all the important tools are organized, like buttons for creating shapes, adding materials, and more. Think of it as your digital toolbox. On the left side, there's the navigation bar. This helps you switch between different parts of your design and manage your project files. It's like the contents page of your design. The largest area is the graphics window. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your three-dimensional model come to life here, and you can rotate, zoom, and pan around it. Don't be afraid to click around and explore. Inventor is very user-friendly, and you'll be surprised how quickly you get the hang of it. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to create your first 3D model in Autodesk Inventor. Let's start with something simple, like a cube. First, start with a sketch. Choose a plane, like the floor, and click on the Create 2D Sketch button. This is where you'll draw the outline of your cube. Next, use sketch tools. Select the line tool and click to create the 4 sides of a square. Then, use the dimension tool to give your square precise measurements. Now, extrude your sketch. Click Finish Sketch and select the Extrude tool. Click on your square and drag upwards to give it height. Congratulations, you've made a cube. You can use similar steps to create other basic shapes like cylinders, cones, and spheres. Inventor's intuitive tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life. Why are there not more people talking about the advanced capabilities of Autodesk Inventor? This software is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their designs. Inventor offers a whole universe of advanced features to explore. It's pretty exciting, honestly. These tools are designed to help you tackle complex projects with ease and precision. Assembly modeling lets you combine multiple parts into complex assemblies, creating intricate designs that mimic real-world objects. For example, you can model something as detailed as a car engine, or even a robotic arm with moving parts. The possibilities are endless. You can define how parts connect, move, and interact with each other. This means you can simulate real-world mechanics right on your screen. It's really powerful stuff, especially when you're working on designs that require precision and functionality. Then, there are the simulation tools. These are a game changer for any designer. They allow you to test your designs virtually, saving you time and resources. You can see how your design performs under different conditions. You can apply forces, simulate motion, and even test how your design reacts to stress and strain. This ensures your design is not only functional, but also durable and efficient. It's like having a virtual test lab at your fingertips, where you can refine and perfect your ideas. And let's not forget about rendering. Rendering is where your designs truly come to life. You can apply materials, textures, and colors to make your designs look as realistic as possible. Add lighting and backgrounds to create stunning visuals that showcase your work in its best light. It's amazing how real your designs can look, almost like a photograph of the finished product. These tools not only help you visualize your ideas, but also communicate them effectively to others. Now, I know these advanced features might seem a little daunting at first, but don't worry, there are plenty of resources to help you get started. Tutorials, guides, and even the help section within Inventor are great places to learn. Take your time to explore and practice. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out different settings and features is the best way to learn. That's how you'll truly unlock the potential of these tools and take your designs to new heights. You need to watch this if you struggle with designing efficiently in Autodesk Inventor. Section 6. Inventor Pro Tips. Design like a champ. In this section, we'll dive into some essential tips and tricks to elevate your design game in Autodesk Inventor. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these insights will help you work smarter, not harder. All right, here are some pro tips to help you get the most out of Autodesk Inventor. These tips are designed to streamline your workflow, improve accuracy, and save you time in the long run. First off, plan your design. A solid plan is the foundation of any successful project. It's tempting to jump straight into modeling, but trust me, taking a step back to strategize will pay off. Before you even start modeling, take a moment to sketch out your ideas on paper. This simple step helps you clarify your vision and ensures you have a clear roadmap to follow. Trust me, this will help you visualize the overall design and, well, identify potential challenges ahead of time. It's like solving problems before they even arise. Next, use constraints. Constraints are super handy because they help you define relationships between different parts of your model, ensuring accuracy and stability. They're like the glue that holds your design together, making sure everything fits perfectly. Oh, and don't forget to work with layers. Layers are your best friend when it comes to keeping things organized, especially in complex projects. Layers are a great way to organize your design and make it much easier to manage those complex assemblies. Plus, they allow you to isolate specific parts of your design, making edits and adjustments a breeze. And finally, save frequently. Sure, Inventor does autosave, but it's always a good idea to save manually and hey, create backups just in case. You never know when a file might get corrupted or accidentally deleted, so better safe than sorry. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to designing like a pro in no time. Remember, great design isn't just about creativity. It's about strategy, precision, and smart workflows. Happy designing! What I wish I knew when starting with Autodesk Inventor: mistakes are part of the process. So here's the thing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes in Inventor. Honestly, everyone does, especially when they're just starting out. The key is to learn from them. And hey, Inventor has a super handy undo button that lets you reverse your last action. But if you make a bigger mistake, don't panic. You can always start over or even go back to a previous version of your file. The most important thing is to experiment, explore, and, have fun with it. The more you use Inventor, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. So don't sweat it, just keep going. You need to hear this if you're a creator looking to bring your ideas to life. Your Inventor journey begins. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of Autodesk Inventor. Seriously, this is just the beginning of an exciting journey filled with discovery and creativity. Remember, learning a new software takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it, and most importantly, have fun along the way. The possibilities with Inventor are truly endless. So what will you design today? Everybody is looking for ways to master Autodesk Inventor, right? Well, you're in the right place. All right, ready to take your Inventor skills to the next level? Here are some fantastic resources to help you along the way. First up, Autodesk Inventor tutorials. Autodesk offers a wealth of free tutorials on their website, covering everything from basic modeling to advanced simulations. Then there are YouTube channels. So many excellent ones out there dedicated to Inventor tutorials, tips, and tricks. Next, online courses. Platforms like Udemy and LinkedIn Learning have comprehensive Inventor courses for all skill levels. And of course, books. Check out the book called Mastering Autodesk Inventor for an in-depth guide to all aspects of the software. With these resources at your fingertips, you'll be designing like a pro in no time. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Let's grow this community together.